Donald Trump's bombshell claim, the BJP is now hitting out, claiming that this is vindication. Donald Trump slamming the 21 million grant, the BJP claiming that the meddling has now been confirmed. Reaffirmation of the Prime Minister's assertion that are foreign powers who actually try to stop the return of Prime Minister Modi. BJP claiming that meddling in 2024 elections indeed was something that this is a confirmation that is coming straight from the President of the United States. This is BJP's Amit Malviya, who goes on to say that the US President Trump's claim that money was being pumped into India to influence the election result in the country is a reaffirmation of Prime Minister Modi's assertion during the 2024 campaign that foreign powers were trying to stop him from coming to power. And something that he says were a doubt in the previous elections, general elections that were being held, is a confirmation, Sagarika, that BJP's Amit Malviya says that there indeed was interference.
And you've just read out what Amit Malviya said, and now if you see, it's the BJP which is going ahead with the narrative that the DOGE disclosure, the cancellation of the $21 million grant that has also become a headline in India, the BJP says this is a reaffirmation of what they've always been saying. Once again, taking you through the BJP's charges. Amit Malviya goes on to say, US President Trump's claim that money was being pumped into India to influence election result in the country is a reaffirmation of Prime Minister Modi's assertion during the 2024 campaign that foreign powers were trying to stop him from coming to power. If you remember, Amita, there are multiple questions that have been raised by senior BJP leaders, by MPs of the Rajya Sabha, who have gone on to say that now this disclosure by DOGE should be investigated, and the dirty money trail in India. Who got the money? Why was this money given? What does US have to do with India's voter turnout? All this should be investigated, because of which the name of one person known as Veena Reddy has also come up. So a lot of questions are still in the realm after what Donald Trump has said. The BJP once again, pushing ahead with the charge of foreign powers trying to meddle into Indian polls.
Absolutely. And who gains from this? This is the question that is obviously now raised on part of the BJP side. If there was indeed any foreign interference, then will that be investigated? Because if this is now coming across straight from the mouth of the US President Donald Trump, the BJP now seems to be taking up the issue in a big way, accusing international organizations of attempting to infiltrate into Indian institutions and link the initiative to broader foreign influence as well. So let's in the meantime listen in once again to this big revelation that has been made by the President of the United States of America.